Alright guys, good afternoon people, world, whoever, wherever. Wayne got some stuff taken care of this morning. Got the tags for this bike. $364 later. Yeah. Anyway, got it in my name and yeah, got it registered. Back fees were $100 and something, $140 something just in back fees because the kid is a liar. And then got the tags for my truck. So got the tire loose, lug's gone, a bunch of the other ones are cracked. See all the cracking in here. So I'll go ahead and change this tire over to those tires, get the new tires on here, and then probably wash the bike. But it's been cold and windy, so this morning I changed the little igniter deal on our pellet stove. Put a new one in. I ordered 4 of them because they're $16 a piece, or 4 for $60. Otherwise, 16 times 4 is what? What is that? 64 bucks. Save $4 anyway. This one was blown out. They're kind of a pain to do anyway. You got to take the blower motor out, then get in there and get like less than a quarter of an inch, or less than a quarter of a turn, probably actually more like, I don't know, a 64th of a turn. Anyway, they're a pain in the butt, so this one's trash. Got some new ones. So, but yeah, it's pretty breezy outside. We got snow in the foothills. The wind's supposed to be dying down, which is why I came out, because I'm allergic to rain or wind. Not really. I don't like rain or wind. I hate wind. So yeah, so I got insurance on this bike, and now it's registered and it's legally in my name now. So now I can sell it, ride it, do whatever. Got a rear tire coming from it, or for it. Air filter. I got a fuel filter for it, an in-tank fuel filter, and some handguards coming for it. Handguards coming for this one. Could have used some handguards because I did bend the lever when I went down. So the lever is bent roughly right here, even though it doesn't look bent, but a little, they're weak. I don't know why. But if I had handguards, probably wouldn't have bent it. You can see the paint's chipping. So that means it's bent. So right where it's supposed to snap, that's where it's bent. Don't know if I should bend it back because it does bug me. Yeah. Just want a little play in the clutch. Maybe I could tighten that screw a little bit. But anyway. Alright guys, I'm going to take these tires off. Putting these tires on it. These are a Kenda DOT street legal tire. Date is 32/23. Just says Kenda. All right here. 3 1/4 by 2157p, whatever the heck that means. It's supposed to be this model. K270, but whatever. It is what it is, as long as it's DOT compliant, which it has a DOT number there. That's the front. Is the rear. Tires are heavy. 0823. So almost a year old already. 510, 18. I really don't feel like doing tires today, guys. DOT, whatever that is. CNSP, CNPS, I don't know. Anyway, I might just take the wheels off. And then go from there. Anyway, bike's looking dirty, but it's running good. Anyway, I'll probably, like I said, take the wheels off. Maybe start taking the tires off, and then probably finish up tomorrow. So you guys will probably see the rest of it on tomorrow's video. Alright, guys. See you next one. See you in a little bit. I guess second for you, 14 hours for me. I'll be back. Caught him in the act. Anyway, I'm back, guys. Got the rear tire on. Took all of like, I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, because I put these little seal saver thingies on here so that you're supposed to be able to pressure wash it and not get water in the seals and the bearings. So anyway, one tire down. It's barely on the stand. It's the only way I can get the front tire up. I might have to move it. Anyway, yeah, it's a good sized tire, but whatever, it is what it is. Went on super easy. That's what happens when you have new tires. They go on easy. So anyway, old tire, greased everything, greased the axles, greased the bearings, used some simple green around the bead to put the bead on, and threw some powder in the tire so that the tube can easily move. Using these little tools, little bead buddy things, little bead thingy-majiggers. Then I got a Schrader valve tool, tire iron, 10mm wrench to take the rim lock off and the valve stem nut off. And then I'm also using another tire iron down here. So anyway, I'm gonna move the bike forward a little bit and on the stand, and yeah, change this front tire, at least get it off, get the rim off, go from there. It's still windy outside. Wind was supposed to die down at 3 and it's pushing 5. Anyway, alright guys, you'll see me another second. It's not the next day, by the way. It's still the same day because I don't know how to rest. I don't know how to relax. Alright guys, you can see it's dark, dusk, whatever you want to call it. Got new tires on here. Got the front tire on, rear tire on. So I'm gonna go through and I'm just checking to make sure it's set on the bead. Almost seems like it's got a flat spot right where the rim lock is. Anyway, tires went on super smooth. I don't know if it was this guy, me, behind the camera, or if it was the bucket, or if it was the tires. These are soft tires. These tires are from 2021. Anyway, they're trash. But to go on, it could be the tools. So definitely kind of thinking it's the tools. This little thingy, pretty cool. This is a Motion Pro, replica. It's not a Motion Pro one, but it's a knockoff one. And then this one is the Motion Pro one. So I think these helped out a lot. Getting the tire on there. This one helped out. Getting the tire off. This one helped out a lot. Don't really know how to use them. Don't even know if I'm using them right. These are supposed to be for the front wheels and those little seal things I put on right in here. But I couldn't get these out. So I don't know if the wheel's different because it's a different hub and different wheel from a stock one. But these little spacers that on the rear, they come out that far. On the front, they seem like they go all the way. They seem like they go all the way into here. Probably about 2.5 inches long. I tried pulling them out. I didn't want to break anything. So I just said, screw it. Just leave them. They'll do their job up against those. And then if worst case comes, I'll throw these things on. But all these are tight. That's tight. Yeah, how you do these. This front wheel is kind of dumb, how they designed it. But you put the axle in. You shove it in as far as it'll go. You tighten one of these bolts. Then you put this little bolt thing in here. You tighten it so it's tight. I think it's like, 23 foot-pounds or something dumb. And then you tighten these two. Then you loosen this one back up. You rock the wheel back and forth like clunk, 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 clunk. Spin the wheel, hit the brake, spin the wheel, hit the brake. Do that a bunch of times so that the fork kind of adjusts a line so that there's no binding. And then you can tighten these down. And then this, I believe this is just a cap. This is just a cap. It'll spin. It'll do whatever. Because they make axle poles where you pop this out. You stick an axle pole in there so that you can grab the axle and pull it out. But I don't think I'm too worried about it. Anyway, if the weather's good tomorrow, I'm going to wash it. And then I have another set of these, but I don't think they'll fit the other bike because that axle tube is bigger. Like I said, I don't know. I don't remember it ordering two, but apparently I did order two. So, anyway, oh well. But yeah, these tools all got to go on the bike. Once I get my other tire irons, I don't need this. This one's kind of heavy. So, because these are Motion Pro, but they're sharp and pointy. They will pop a tube. They won't dad a tube. They'll just pop a tube. And then spark plug, caddy. Anyway, that's the valve stem tool thing. I put away before I lose it. Anyway, that's it. Tire's done. Took all of an hour and, hour and a half, hour and 15 minutes. Adjusting the chain and greasing everything and putting those boots on. And then I'll figure out what I need to torque the spokes to. Probably wash it, get all the grit out of there, and then I'll torque the spokes. I do know you're supposed to do every third spoke, so if you're doing this spoke, you would start. You'd want to start wherever a wheel lock is or a valve stem is. So you'd start here, and then you'd go skip 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then by the time I think you go around the wheel 2 or 3 times, and then that does the whole wheel. So anyway, we'll see how these tires do, these wheels do. And I also have my chin mount. I probably could have just 3D printed this. It's not the greatest, but whatever. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and sorry I don't do the work anymore on camera. I try not to, because there's millions of videos out there of people that actually do the work, and I don't want to steal their credit. So I will just do what I do. Tighter. Anyway, and I just do what I do, and that's it. So show you guys how to do it without doing it, I guess. Alright, I gotta go in. Time to eat dinner. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Later.